Thanks for coming. I really do appreciate it.
You're welcome.
My life is brilliant. My love is pure.
Yes.
You have to go inside now, eh? You have to go inside. I'll see you later.
I want to see you up to your car.
You won't. Don't see me off. Don't, you understand? Just go inside and relax. You know I don't like stressing you.
Let me just see you up. It's not far. Just here.
Don't worry. Don't stress yourself.
Please now.
Come on. Let me go.
Now,
don't worry.
Yeah, I'm alone at home. I don't have anything doing at home. Let me just see you up now.
Lonely? Don't worry. I'm with you. I'll see you later.
Bye.
Okay.
The work is
Bye bye. We'll talk later.
Hello, my babe. Hello, my babe. Oh my God. Hello, baby. I got something to tell you, mommy.
Come. What's the problem? Why are you blocking me?
Now that woman you dey follow.
What is small picking of nowadays? Which one be that woman they follow?
Now that woman you dey follow.
Yes. Now the woman they follow.
Na my sister.
Hey. Again, your sister?
Yes.
Hey. Your sister fine, no?
Yes.
She's fine. She's set. So let me tell you, on a normal day, I'm not arrogant. Oh. I'm a gentle boy. I can take care of you. I can take care of your sister. Eh? Can you take me to your sister? Eh? What's up? You break hand?
The money na my money.
Money?
Yes.
At your age, you want to collect money just because I want to talk to your sister?
Yes now.
How much?
5,000.
5,000? 5,000 naira?
Yes.
You are a thief.
5,000.
Okay, let me pay you 1,000.
5,000.
1,000?
5,000.
Just 5,000. What's happened?
You do any other matter that I go show my sister?
You want to enter by go meet your sister?
Yes. Where you go? Where you go now?
Smally, can you imagine? I was just talking to your sister. She was behaving somehow. Next thing, she just hit the gate on me.
What you concern me?
What it concern you as how? But I just pay you now. Now, make you carry me come meet your sister.
Okay, go meet her now. I don't show you our house. Go meet her.
Now, so you be?
See, now my sister. I'll carry and call your house. But you show me your house. You give me 2K, that money may don't give me.
So don't be angry. You mean if I give you 2,000 naira now, you will bring your sister to my house?
Yes, now.
Eh. Hey. Good boy. Sharp boy. I like you already. Even though be something I will buy you car. See, let me tell you. See, Olupo on street.
Okay, this street na my area now. Let me take out this street.
So this whole area, now you the controller.
Yes, now.
Hey, security man.
I will know your house.
You know my house?
Yes.
Hey, nice one. Okay, take it. I will talk to you later.
Wait, come. You don't say business. Why they give me a cake? I don't go like come.
Oh, it's 1,000. I don't know it's 1,000. I don't know it's 1,000. Hey. Yeah, take. Thank you. I'll be expecting.
But give me money for transport.
This money I paid you, call.
This one on my own. I give me money for transport.
So you mean I will pay you this 2,000 and I then give you money for transport?
Transport money.
Okay, this.
Dad.
Take.
You don't want to, no, if you give me 1K. Yeah, they go.
Don't forget your promise, oh. Eh? I'll be waiting, eh?
I was just about that one.
Hi. Where is that? Hold on, I'm coming.
Auntie, come. Auntie, come.
Love is magical. That's how I feel. But I have not the words to explain.
Sit down.
God is the grace for expressions of passion. But there are worlds and worlds of ways to explain. To tell you how I feel. But I'm speechless, speechless. That's how you make me
What I'm
feel.
trying to
When I'm
say.
I come and excuse you now.
Hi. Hi.
I actually wanted to apologize about earlier. I'm extremely very sorry. I didn't mean to be rude. I actually thought to be like other guys.
I understand. You know, all these small boys disturbing girls. I understand. It's not who am I not to forgive. I forgive you.
Thank you for not being angry.
Angry, okay? I can never be angry. Don't mind me. Sorry, please. What can I offer you?
Anything is fine.
Anything.
Yeah.
See, anything in my place means nothing. And I cannot offer you nothing now. Tell me, what do you want?
Okay, what do you have?
What do you have?
Yeah.
I have the whole word for you. If it's to give you the whole word, no problem. I can give you the whole word. Take. I dash you. But still, tell me, what do you want?
Okay, do you have soft drink?
Soft drink?
Yeah.
I know. I know you are going to request for soft drink. Because me looking at you alone, you are soft. Bele. No problem. See, let me arrange small soft drink for you.
Okay, no problem.
Hey. Smalley, what is it?
I thought you I wash my next face. Okay, you know that day. I'll tell you about.
Okay, pick up.
I see you here. Come here to see you.
I get 2,000 now, you go collect.
Sorry. I can't even continue this.
Oh.
Hey!